In this video, we will talk about VeloriX Ankle Binder Support in detail. Unboxing the product. This is VeloriX Ankle Binder Support. It offers superior ankle stability and provide all-day comfort. Expertly designed to prevent re-injury and keep you comfortable all day. Premium elastic compression offers firm, consistent support to promote stability and reduce strain. How to measure. Sit comfortably on the ground. Using a measuring tape, measure the circumference around your ankle above the ankle bone. VeloriX Ankle Binder Support comes in these sizes. Product features and qualities. Designed to support you at every step, made from premium quality material, this ankle binder is flexible, lightweight, and highly durable for long-lasting comfort and support. Direction of use: how to wear. Sit comfortably with your leg relaxed. Slide your foot into the ankle binder, making sure your heel fits in the right spot. Adjust the binder so it aligns properly around your ankle. Wrap the straps firmly around your ankle. Now fasten the Velcro securely. Check for comfort and mobility. Fit adjustment tips. The VeloriX Ankle Binder Support provides effective pain relief and all-day comfort, reduces swelling and inflammation, and helps prevent re-injury for faster, safer recovery. How to remove the product. Sit down comfortably and relax your leg. Gently unfasten the Velcro straps and unwrap them. Then gently take your foot out.